Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix display over other apps which are not available. Sometimes you want to run two apps side by side or over each other, so you need to enable display over other apps, which is also called draw over other apps. To enable display over other apps, follow the steps below. Step 1, tap on the settings tab on settings in your device. You will see different settings options. Step 2, tap on apps. Scroll down to apps and notifications and click on it. Step 3, tap on social special apps access. Scroll down or click on three dots and then tap on social access. And step 4, tap on display over other apps. You will start or you will get many options. Now tap on display over other apps. Step 5, choose an app. Now choose an app you want to display over. Step 6, turn on allow display over other apps. To turn off display over other apps, to turn off display over other apps, you will need to follow the steps below. Step 1, tap on settings. Step and tap on settings in your device. You will need to see the different settings options. And step 2, tap on apps. And step 3, tap on social app access. Scroll down or click on three dots and tap on special access. And step 4, tap on display over other apps. You'll get many options. Now tap on display over other apps. Step 5, choose an app you don't want to display over other apps. And step 6, turn off all display over other apps. Now here you can turn off to allow display over other apps. That's all you need to disable the display over other apps. Thanks for watching us.